Introducing the Keychron Q3 Max mechanical keyboard, now available on JD.com in China. This tankless (TKL) keyboard offers a compact design without sacrificing functionality. With switch options including red, brown, and banana, prices range from 1148 yuan ($161) for the base model to 1,268 yuan ($178) for switch-equipped models. Built with durable hot-swappable Keychron Jupiter switches, the Q3 Max promises up to 80 million keystrokes. Enjoy customizable RGB backlighting with 22 effects via QMK/via software, along with a convenient multimedia knob for volume and media control. Remap keys easily with QMK/via support and benefit from a double gasket structure for enhanced typing experiences. Its 87-key layout supports both Windows and Mac OS, and connectivity options include Bluetooth, USB-C, and 2.4G. The keyboard features an ARM Cortex-M4 chip for minimal latency during gaming, with support for up to 4 devices. Compact yet functional, it maintains a balance between portability and usability, powered by a 4,000 mAh battery for up to 180 hours of Bluetooth use. Additionally, Keychron recently launched the K3 Max, a low-profile mechanical keyboard with hot-swappable keys.